Hi, this is Jenny Lu, and we're going to go over Tai Chi Qigong 18 form, move number 7 to number 9. So when you're ready, separating your feet about shoulder width apart and a little soft in the knees, and just check to make sure your feet are parallel as much as your hips will let you. Soften the knees, little drop in the tailbone, relax your body. So last week we stopped at rolling on a lake. Your hands stopped right in front of your lower dantian. So about 6 inches in front of your lower abdomen. So the next move, 7th move, is called gaze at the moon. From here in the center, you're going to start to slowly turn your waist and your upper body on an inhale. So as you turn, your arms will float up, and then your leg, right, away from where you're turning, your left leg heel is going to come up so you can pivot. And your arms rise up above your head, slightly behind you, or you're going to gaze between the hands as if you're looking at the moon. So as you exhale, your hands will kind of draw like an arc back to the center, and we repeat on the other side. On the inhale, gentle turning, and make sure you're lifting off the heel from the other foot. Inhaling, and exhale, and feel your body. You can feel this one. We are turning at the waist and gentle stretching the middle of your back and the sides. So really good for your kidneys and your spleen. Okay, one last round. Breathing in, breathing out. And there's this continuity and circularity in this movement. Exhale. So from here, transitioning to the next one, which is called scooping the ball. Inhaling. One hand is up, which is your yang hand. The other one is down, in hand. Okay. And it's a very gentle arc movement again. So this one helps you to open the chest, relax your breathing. Very good for calming any physical, mental stress. And you're very gently massaging your back, your waist. Your feet are completely planted for this one. And as you inhale, your hand rises up at the very top, almost like that bouncy ball. When it gets to the top, and it's going to flow down. And right here, as we're opening a curtain, we transition to the next move, which is called rotating palms. So as you come back, your hands will be one on top of the other, right hand on top of your left. We're mirrors of each other, and leaving space between them. So as you stand up, as you inhale, rocking your waist slightly to the balls of your feet, as in with all the moves in this set. So your hands, one is on the front, paying attention to kind of the stretch, opening thumb between thumb and index finger. This is called hukou, or in Chinese, and it's tiger's mouth. Exhale, coming back, the other hand goes on top. Very gentle turning in the waist while your pelvis is facing forward. So keeping the pelvis facing forward, you'll be able to feel that little gentle stretch on the side, the obliques. Inhale. Exhale. So this one's great for your spine, your waist, your shoulders. You can feel this twisting, and for your wrists, lumbar spine, and then your internal organs, your kidneys and your spleen are benefiting. And slowly you can relax your arms down. We will close. Inhale. Exhale. You can draw your feet in, sinking your energy down to your lower abdomen. Good job.